So at this step we've put in our first flowers. These are kind of the main flowers of this arrangement. The subsequent flowers are going to fill it in and round it out. So here we go. When you get to this point in the arrangement, you want to be sure to turn the arrangement as you go. Turn it the whole vase around a few times, because you don't want to end up with holes in the arrangement. So just spin it, make sure it doesn't feel like there's one side of it that you don't want to look at. A lot of times a bouquet, especially like this where you're using such large pronounced flowers such as lilies, it's not going to be completely symmetrical, and that's okay, but you don't want it to have a side that's a bad side. You want all sides to be good. So even with the filler flowers, you want to follow that same sort of method where you hold it up to the vase to try and figure out how high you want the flower to sit in respect to things, and cut it from that point. You want to try and provide a balance of color. You don't want a big clustering of all the same color in one spot, or all the same size of flower in one spot. This is a type of mum flower that grows in clusters, so it's kind of hard to work with without putting it somewhat in clusters. I think I'm going to bring this particular one kind of low and nestle it in with these lilies right here. A lot of times flowers that grow with multiple blooms per stem, even though it seems like they all have to stay together, once you get it in, you can pull some of the stems around to the other side and it kind of spreads apart that color a little bit.